Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to pay Finch Self Care app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So first, what you need to do is head over to your app store and then on the search bar simply type in Finch, and once you do that, here what you need to do is simply tap on the app and then all you gotta do is tap on this to download it, or you can tap on install. Once downloaded, all you gotta do is just go back and then open up the app. And now if you are new to the Finch app, there will be a bunch of questions asked according to your emotions and your self-care. So all you gotta do is answer all of those questions in order to successfully land on this homepage. Now once you're here, you will be seeing your pet right here. In order to pet it, what you need to do is simply tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can see that my pet is feeling alright. So if it's not feeling alright, all you gotta do is simply tap on it to pet it, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.